Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Brazilian cheese bread. This delightful snack, known as pão de queijo, is naturally gluten-free and incredibly satisfying. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the base, have 2 cups of tapioca flour ready, along with 2 large eggs and about 1 to 1.5 cups of your favorite grated cheese, like Parmesan or mozzarella. Now let's get our dough started. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of milk, half a cup of oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then immediately remove it from the stove. Pour this hot liquid directly over 2 cups of tapioca flour in a large bowl. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until all the flour is incorporated and the mixture becomes grainy and gelatinous. Let this cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once your tapioca mixture has cooled slightly, it's time for the eggs and cheese. Beat in 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, mix in your 1 to 1.5 cups of grated cheese until everything is well combined. The dough will be quite sticky and soft, resembling a thick cake batter. Using a small scoop or 2 tablespoons, portion the dough into small balls, about 1.5 inches apart, on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Finally, it's time to bake these delicious treats. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your baking sheets into the oven and bake for about 15 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they've puffed up beautifully, have dry exteriors, and are just starting to turn a light golden brown on the bottoms. Remove them from the oven, let them cool for just a few minutes, and then serve them warm. Enjoy your homemade Brazilian cheese bread.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.